You ever realise that in most of these videos it's just you watching me turn lights on, right? So we're on the Ford board again. Is this Ford board 5? Really going through the process with you. Got the size, so I'm about to chop it on the chop saw, and then we'll route it and then we'll start sanding. I have a new tool for rolling glue that one of my work colleagues gave me. It's already been defaced. Apparently this is for rectal use only. I don't know what they mean. Let's get to chopping. Need some tunes first though. I think today's going to be Stone Temple Pilots. Core? Let's go core. We'll go core. Right. Let's get some chopping done. Okay, got that. Somebody get me because I'm gonna add dog type. Noisy doubles here. Cracking. Sheet. That was really excited about. Well, looks like something going on. Let's see what this side does. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can fix it. How? I'm going to fix it. Good picture. I do not know about them. I'm good at this. It's a good piece. This is a half inch. And I cannot go any deeper than that, so the choices I've got. Let's go through the choices. This may be a very short video tonight. I could glue it. Glue and clamp it, leave it overnight. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to fill that because it's chunked on me. Right. Could I skim it through the table saw? Yes, I could. I could whack that through the table saw and I'd have to do it twice. Lose this and that. But the whole reason for doing this was the yellow bit in the limber, because it was kind of cool. Don't trust yellow limber. I don't want this board to be fucked. But I also don't want to okay. Other options. Hit it with a big hammer. Say I dropped it. Doesn't work because I'm filming and he's going to see it. Shit. I'm stuck. Glue it, hand sand it. It's got a chunk out of it, and I don't like the chunk out of it. At some point I have to put his name on this as well, so I couldn't cover it because it's not right. Oh, saw it. Ooh. Don't know. I'm gonna go think about this and I'll be back.